We start the name of God. After that, may peace and prayer be upon all messengers and prophets. It is another time and our Somali learning program. Still, we are in the midst of our primary chapter. That is the Somali Pronunciation Guide. We haven't finished it yet. Today, I got you a very important letter. It is R and vowel, right? Let's see how R and vowels may come in Somali wedding. Like we did before, we simply place short or long vowel before and after the R itself. Okay, so let's now place the short one after the R itself. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Very simple, right? Just the long ones coming after the R is ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Simple, right? Before the R, R, ar, er, ir, or, ur, ar, er, ir, or, ur. Very simple, right? So how to make like that sound? I think it's very simple also to actually make the Somali Ra. It's quite different than the English Ra, like the ta, da, sa, da, na. We simply place our tongue behind the front two teeth, like this. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Ar, er, ir, or, ur. Ar, er, ir, or, ur. So it's already 4 minutes. Examples include raaxo, enjoyment. It is raaxo, raaliyo, obedient wife is also Somali female name. Rare family. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson. Bye.